here's how you hide your chat on WhatsApp. So, if you follow this video, you'll be able to hide your WhatsApp chats either by locking it with a fingerprint or by archiving it, depending on how private you want it to be. So, method 1 is hiding chats using chat lock. Simply navigate to WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp, click on the three-dotted icon in the top right. Now, click Settings. Here, you're going to simply click Privacy. Now, scroll down and make sure you have this feature that says Chat Lock. So if you click this, you will see this page. Now, if you see this page, you'll be easily able to hide your chats. Simply open WhatsApp. Now what you'll have to simply do is simply make sure you select the chat that you want to hide. So long press the chat that you want to hide. It will select it. Now, click on three-dotted icon in the top right and choose Lock Chat. When you click this button, click Continue and then it will ask for your fingerprint. Add your fingerprint and you will see this pop-up saying this chat is locked. For added privacy, chats will also be locked on certain link devices. Click OK. Now, the same chat will disappear from this list and I can simply click on Lock Chats. Now, I'll be able to enter my fingerprint. After I enter it, I will see the chat appearing just right here. So, the chat will disappear from this, no one will be able to access it, it will be hidden and locked. That is an extra security. Now, another way is simply archiving the chat. Hold the chat that you want to hide and click the archive button. Now, it will be moved to this section that says archived. It will not appear here. But when you click this archived button, you will see the chat appearing just right here. Also, there is a way to hide this logged chats icon from this chat section. You can simply click on Log Chats, enter your fingerprint, then navigate to Log Chat section and you will see the chat that you would have logged appear just right here. Simply click on three-dotted icon in the top right. Now click Chat Log Settings. Now simply turn on this button that says Hide Logged Chats. So when you turn this button on, it will hide your chats, but you'll have to create a secret code. Simply click Create Secret Code. Now enter the secret code in this field. For example, you can use a word or emoji, but make it memorable. So for example, I will enter QWERTY. Now I will click Next. I will have to enter the secret code again, then click Done. Now Log Chat section will be hidden and I can get back. Now, you won't see the log chat appear in this section. As you can see, there's nothing like log chats here. But if you go to the search bar at the top and simply type in your secret code, in my case, it was QWERTY. Now, as you can see, I see this logged chats icon appearing. I will click this. Now, it will instantly open the log chat section and the hidden chats will appear just right here. So that's it. You can use chat lock for privacy or archive if you just want a clean chat list. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.